Hey there, easy peasy artists. Welcome back to our colorful corner of creativity. Today, we're going to dive into the magical world of autumn with a super fun drawing. Are you ready? Let's get started. Look at this adorable gnome. He's all ready for fall, and he's sitting on top of a giant orange pumpkin, ready to say hello to you. Isn't that just the coolest thing ever? Now let's add our friendly gnome. Draw a pointy hat on top, like a wizard's hat. And don't forget a big, friendly smile. Our gnome is waving hello to you. Let's draw our big round pumpkin. Make a nice curved line like this. Round and round we go, just like the pumpkin patch. What's fall without nuts, right? Let's draw some scattered on the ground. Little oval shapes with pointy tips. And of course, fall means beautiful leaves falling from the trees. Add some swirling leaves around our gnome and pumpkin. Let your imagination run wild with colors. Wow! Look at what we've created. A gnome on a pumpkin waving hello with pine cones and colorful leaves all around. Our fall masterpiece. Now it's time to bring this picture to life with colors. You can use all the warm, cozy autumn shades you can think of. Oranges, yellows, reds, and browns. Remember, there are no rules in art. You can use crayons, colored pencils, or even watercolors. Let your creativity soar like a leaf in the wind. Look at your artwork. It's amazing, just like you. Each drawing is unique, just like each gnome in the forest. Well, that's it for today, young artists. I hope you had a blast creating this magical fall scene with me. Keep drawing, keep smiling, and keep being awesome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you had fun. Until next time, bye for now, and keep spreading those creative vibes. Happy drawing!